Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open an MP2 account and how to validate your new MP2 account online. You can save in the MP2 Savings Program. The MP2 Savings is open to all Pag-ibig Fund members with at least one monthly savings contribution within the last 6 months. It is also open to former Pag-ibig Fund members, pensioners, and retirees, regardless of age, and with at least 24 monthly savings prior to retirement. How to open an MP2 account? So first, punta ka muna dito sa Pag-ibig Fund website, dito sa pag-ibigfund.gov.ph. And then, punta ka dito sa e-services. And then, click mo itong MP2 Savings Enrollments. So, dito ka gagawa ng bagong MP2 Savings account. So, first, input mo ang iyong Pag-ibig MID number. And then your personal information, last name, first name, date of birth. Enter the code na makikita mo sa screen and then click submit. Dito makikita mo yung personal information. So, i-check mo kung tama. Click mo ang continue. Okay. So, first, input your desired monthly contribution dito sa part na to. Select yung preferred dividend payout. So, nilagay ko 5-year end term. Sa mode of payment, there are 3 options then. So, piliin mo kung alin dyan ang preferred mo. Put mo yung source of funds. Click submit. So, dito mo makikita ang MP2 account number na ma-generate. Take note of this number kasi ito yung gagamitin mo pag nag-deposit ka ng payment sa Pag-ibig. To validate your new MP2 account, kailangan mo maghulog ng contribution. So, you can pay online via virtual Pag-ibig website. So, mag-login ka lang sa iyong virtual Pag-ibig account and then you can pay using Maya or GCash e-wallet or any debit or credit card powered by Visa, MasterCard, or JCB. Easier way is to pay via authorized online payment channels gaya ng GCash, Management App, Coins, or Maya. Sa mga OFWs naman and for those who are living abroad, so you can pay via the authorized collecting partners, outlets, or branches overseas gaya ng Philippine National Bank, Asia United Bank, iRemit, Ventaha, or Cash Pinas powered merchants.